Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a transfer pin from AT&T. Really easy and simple. There's three ways. So one is you can call port. So from your AT&T mobile device, you want to dial star port 7678, and then you want to follow the prompt, and you'll need your account passcode to generate the pin, and the pin will be sent to you by text message. Or what you can do is you can go ahead and use the AT&T app, sign into the app, make sure you're logged in, click on more, and then go ahead and click on manage profile. Then you'll see a bunch of options. You want to go ahead and click people and permissions, and then you want to scroll down to the option that says transfer phone number, and then you want to go ahead and select request a new pin, and then they will display your pin just like this. Or of course you can go ahead and use the AT&T website, sign into your AT&T account, go to your profile, select people and permissions again, of course, select wireless here. This is the difference. Select wireless, navigate to transfer phone number, and select request a new pin, and they should provide your pin for your account number. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.